Hi friends, this video we are going to present together, me and my son Manoj.
Hi friends.
In this video we are going to learn about the last part of how heavy and how light the chapter number 12 of NCERT Math Magic 4. And in this the agenda of today is you can see here it is shown on the thumbnail as how many stamps we require, our weight together, am I fit or fat, how many oranges, find the marble. And accordingly you can see such kind of images on the thumbnail. This is about post office and this is post box and weighing machine and marbles. Okay, and the thumbnail also shows clearly the both presenters, me and my son. And let us go quickly into the first slide. So but before that, let me ask or request the new persons who are watching this video to subscribe to my channel HANU7 and click the bell icon and then click the like button and then share button. So we will move to the first slide. So Manoj, have you been to the post office?
Yes, I've been.
So you have been to the post office, right? So what different things do people go there for? So let me tell this. So people will be going to the post office for purchasing postcards or their letters, or like inland letters, or by sending some parcels to some other at the different places in the India. So what different things do people go there for? Means this is the answer for that question. Now how much does a postcard cost? So what is the cost of a postcard? Have you seen from this rate card? So can you tell me what is the cost of the postcard? Can you tell, Manoj?
50 paisa.
It is a 50 paisa. And then what is the cost of inland letter? It is 2.5. That is, wherever the dot is there, you have to pronounce after that as paisa, and before the dot you have to pronounce it as rupees. So rupees 2 and 50 paisa. And printed postcard cost 6 rupees as per the rate card, postal rates. And similarly the rate card shows the letter weighing of for 20 grams or less it is 5 rupees, and then for additional 20 grams it is 2 rupees. Similarly for parcel weighing grams it is 50 grams, for 50 grams or less it is 5 rupees, and for additional 50 grams it is 3 rupees. So with this postcard we have to solve these two questions. How much will you have to pay for the post for the stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? So as this tells that letter which is of greater than 20 grams, for every 20 grams we have to pay 2 rupees. So we have a 50 grams, so totally we have to pay first 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. Okay, so let me write it and show you. So charges for the first 20 grams is 5 rupees, and for every additional 20 grams is 2 rupees, and the next additional 20 gram is 2 rupees again. So total the cost, the total charges which we have to pay towards sending towards postal department for sending this letter is 9 rupees. And we want to go to the next question. Akash want to send a parcel of Math Magic textbook to his friend Rani in Chennai. The book weighs 20 grams. See the chart to find the cost of posting the book. And you can see here I have already written the answer whatever I got in the first option. But for the second one, so in order to solve it you have to look at the second the parcel weighing portion of the chart, postal rates chart. So here same like the letter writing, for 20 grams it is written as like 50 grams or less it is 5 rupees, where for the letters it is 20 grams or less it is 5 rupees. So we cannot send a mathematic textbook as a letter, right? So we will be sending it as a parcel. So for 50 grams or less it is 5 rupees, and for additional 50 grams it is 3 rupees. So for 50 grams it is 5, for additional 50 grams it is 3. So 200 includes how many? 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. There are 4 50s in 200. So for the first 50 it is 5 rupees, okay, and for the rest of the 50s it is 3 plus 3 plus 3, okay. So total cost is 14. So remember this value 14. We will be recalling this in the next slide. And here in this case the something went wrong, so yeah, right. So read the weight showing in the picture, find out the cost of sending a parcel of that weight. So here is the balance showing us, read the weight. So where is the pointer? This is pointing to almost near to the 250, but let us take in between 225. So it is going there almost to the 30, but let us consider only 225. So and we will be I will tell you what is the reason behind that. If you take it to 225 or even 230 or 250, the cost which you are going to get is same. So the parcel weight is 225 grams from this weight, okay. So read weight shown in the picture, find out the cost of sending a parcel of that weight. So it is 225. So let us find out the cost of 225. As I told just now, remember this previous slide. So the previous slide is showing for 200 grams sending a parcel, the mathematics textbook, we paid 14 rupees, okay. So additional to that we have to pay 3 more, okay. So 14 plus 3 is 17. So this is the new weight which we are going to get. Now let us go to the how many stamps. So Rahul needs stamps of rupees 25 for his parcel. He went to the post office, only stamps of rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10 were there at that time. Using those stamps, in how many different ways can he make rupees 25? There are so many different ways, but he's asking us to give only 5 ways. So directly let us go with first way of 1 into 25, we will get 25 rupees stamps. 2 into 12 plus 1 into 1, 25 rupees stamp. 5 into 5, 25 rupees stamps. So 10 into 2, 10 rupees, 10 into 2 plus 5 rupees into 1, 25. 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1, that is also gives 25. So many like that, we will be getting the different combinations. Of course, so many in the sense, not that many. So apart from this 5, you can even write few more. So we will move to the next slide. Our weight together. A frog was struggling to escape from the mouth of a crow. So how can I escape? The frog thought. Suddenly a trick came to his mind. He asked the crow, "How are you good at arithmetic? If yes, then are you good at arithmetic? Sorry. If yes, then I will ask you a problem. Your weight is 650 grams and I am only 145 grams. How much do we weigh together?" The crow was good at mathematics, so he happily opened his beak to answer this question, and in the meanwhile frog jumped away. So that is what he is asking. What happened after that? So before instead of listening to the answer of the crow, the frog jumped and escaped. So what was the answer the crow wanted to give? This is the answer crow wanted to give. 650 plus 145, it is 795. Okay. So I think this is very clear. I need not explain. Now we will move to the next category. I think something is going wrong in the PPT, but the next slide is this only. So now you also find the table by finding out the finding out the age, height and weight if any 5 friends. So just write down any names of the 5 friends and then you write down their details. So this hand is telling that my health chart 2, and then can you make my health chart. So a very big animal like elephant and very small animal like ant, both are asking you to prepare health chart. Okay, so this is the health chart of these 5 friends. Now how many oranges? So in this how many oranges, all oranges have equal weight. The 2 papayas has have the same weight. The weight in the first and second balance are equal. How many oranges balance the weight in the third? So just closely observe the 3 pictures. Look at the first picture. In the first picture it is very clear that the weight of 1 mango is equal to 2 oranges. Okay, because on one side there are 3 oranges, on other side there is only 1 orange and 1 mango. Okay, so we have to assume here 1 mango is equal to 2 oranges. We need not assume. On a balance they are there, so balance will show correct weight. Next, this balance is showing us 2 papayas are on one side and then 4 oranges on the other side. How I wrote 4 oranges here? Because 1 mango is equal to 2 oranges, we already know, so that I considered here, and then I wrote directly 2 papaya is equal to 4 oranges. So then I simplified this, 1 papaya is equal to 2 oranges. Okay, so next I want 1 papaya plus 1 mango. I wrote in brief, so 1p plus 1m, that is 1 papaya plus 1 mango is equal to 4 oranges. Okay, so it's very simple. Just look at the diagram and then you can get it. Now we will move to the next slide. From the marble, find the marble, sorry. There are 3 marbles of the same size, but one marble is slightly heavier or lighter than the other 2, sorry. Can you find which is that marble, and if it is heavier or lighter? You can also use a balance only 2 times. This is just like a puzzle. You are not supposed to use the balance more than 2 times, and you have to find out one particular marble which is heavier or lighter. Okay, so for that what you are supposed to do is take a balance. He asked us to do it, right? So take a balance and put one marble in one side and second marble in the other side. Okay, if both pans are at same position, then we can say directly that M3 is heavier or lighter. Okay, so if you want to find out whether this M3 is if this case is not working, M1 is not equal to M2, then this could go down, like M1 may go down or M2 may go down. Okay, or otherwise I can say M1 may go down or M1 may go up, depending upon the weight of the other marble. Then accordingly you have to choose to find out what is the different marble which is there in these 3. Remember, you are supposed to use the balance only once. Okay, so this is the direct case I have shown you. You try with the other case as a case study. Okay, so that's the end of chapter number 12, and I take leave now. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell icon, like my videos, share them to your friends. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section below. Feel free to contact me with the details provided in the description.